Hi guys, I'm really pleased to introduce for you this special score about CO2 sequestration modeling from zero to hero. I am Dr. Hùng Bó Thành. I have 6 years experience in CCS and subsurface engineering such as CO2 enhanced oil recovery, microbial EWA, and production optimization in the real field in oil and gas industry as well. So, I will introduce for you how you utilize the modeling software to perform the CO2 sequestration in subsurface or saline aquifer. So, this course will be divided in 4 main sessions. First, I will introduce for you about basic concept of carbon dioxide sequestration. And then I will introduce for you how I perform SimGGEM and WinRub module to achieve the modeling goal set for trapping mechanism inside the saline aquifer. And next, the third session, I will go with the building basic CO2 sequestration model. After several basic exercise, we will go with the advanced CO2 modeling. In this session, I will introduce for you the rock mechanics, mineral light trapping mechanism, riding our fast inside the saline aquifer. Okay. In the following slide, I will show you the basic concept in the video demonstration or the animation for you better understanding how CO2 trapping in saline aquifer. Okay, as we know, the geological trapping will be the first mechanism inside the saline aquifer. Okay, this trapping is the most important trapping concept. It refers to CO2 trapping by impermeable layer. Okay, nowhere the cap rock. This is the impermeable layer here. Okay, the cap rock for to keep the CO2 cannot be released into the surface. Also, the CO2 is less than surrounding fluid. It moves upward. Okay, you can see from this video demonstration. The CO2 here, it will be migrate upward beneath the cap rock. Okay. After it moves upward through the porous rock until reach the cap rock, this layer is highly effective physical barrier. Okay, which trap the CO2 inlay. That means CO2 cannot move, and they just surrounding in the saline aquifer. Okay, you can see that the video demonstration, the how CO2 movement inside the saline aquifer. The next trapping mechanism I would like to emphasize is the residual trapping mechanism. Some CO2 is trapped in the porous rock zone. It is set called residual trap. The CO2 lump move through the rock once bubble of the CO2 nap rock and are left behind in the spore once the CO2 lump is passed through the fluid. It is slightly return trapping the CO2 bubble, very small bubble like this. That is the residual trapping. Okay. And the next trapping, I call that the solubility trapping. So the trap of CO2 dissolved in the surrounding salt water. Alright, this CO2 rich is denser than the surrounding fluid, so will eventually sink toward the bottom of the rock formation over the decade or century. The dissolved CO2 will be moved uniformly distributed throughout the storage zone. This concept is known as solubility trapping. This is the third trapping for CO2 sequestration concept. And we will go with the final trapping inside saline aquifer. I call it the mineral trapping. Okay, so what is the mineral trapping? The final phase of trapping is known the mineral trapping. The CO2 dissolved in the rice slowly react with the minerals in the rock to form the solid carbonate minerals. Over thousands of years, it permanently binds up CO2 to the rock. You can see that it is the mineralization process in the video demonstration. So, beside that, in CO2 sequestration process, there are some event mechanism. I call that the caprock leakage modeling. So when you inject CO2 in the saline aquifer, of course the caprock will try to skip the CO2 inside the saline, but in case the CO2 will be clicked to the caprock if the caprock is broken, because the overburden pressure will be maximum effect inside a caprock, and of course it over the pressure gradient, and CO2 will following the fall or the broken phase to come out to the surface, and this is very dangerous. Okay, so you need to understanding the process by simulation. So how can we modeling the CO2 trapping and caprock leakage? By using software. Okay, I will introduce for you how the software will be performed in SimGZM and WinRub. And of course, I will show you the step-by-step to construction the basic model from CO2 trapping until event. Okay, and you will have a chance to practice the exercise by yourself. I will read some exercise for you to build the model. Okay, and you can see the CO2 will migrate inside the reservoir like this video demonstration. Okay, it's very interesting to know how CO2 migrate inside the subsurface, right? In this course, you will train to practice the kind modeling like this. Okay. So what are you waiting for? Please register my score and explore the interesting inside the modeling of CO2 sequestration process.